Jessie Waitress, and I'll be your waitress today.
And my name is Chef Drew, and I will be your chef today.
Okay. Let's get started. Here. Okay. So. Hey! You don't do that. Here's your pie. Put those away.
Why did you tell me that?
I don't know.
Are you nervous of your first day?
No.
So and I have this little dollar bill something.
Let's go over the menu. The waffles were 2,000, and the pancakes were 3,000. The eggs were 100.
And the bacon was
that's
seven.
Bacon.
No, and the bacon was
No,
seven.
we missed that. And then the scrambled eggs were 2,000, and the bacon were 2,000.
No, the bacon was 705.
No, 2,000, and then the fries, French fries, were the 3,000. The Mexican mix were $100, and then the macaroni and cheese were 2,000. And then the sausage.
Okay.
What?
Can I have count the sausage and the bacon and cake and the
Cheeseburger?
yeah, and chocolate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you slow that down, please? Because I didn't know what you said first. Have like 2 cakes. Do you want that one or
The pie.
Do you want the 2 cakes, or do you want just that or the other cake?
The 2 cakes.
Okay, so I'm
I
gonna
want both
do
of the
this.
cakes.
This.
Hey, I did not ask for this potato or this egg or this sandwich.
At least you have cake.
So change it. I wanted the sausage and the bacon.
Here's my coffee. I told you it was my first day. Oh, what the heck?
Hey, this is my new shirt.
I don't care.
There goes your tip.
There goes your tip. I don't care.
Cheapskate. Now you have $2 here. See? Now you get a $100.